Want to check the real battery health of your iPhone? From your home screen, you first want to open Settings. Now scroll down and tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. You'll see a maximum capacity percentage here, but this number isn't always accurate. It doesn't show the true health of your battery. To find the real number, you want to head back over to Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll again to Analytics and Improvements, then tap Analytics Data. Open the most recent file labeled Analytics with the latest date, copy all the text, then paste it to Notes app, then use the search option and type last_value_cycle_count. The number you see is your battery's true cycle count. Apple states that an iPhone battery is designed to retain about 80% capacity after 500 charge cycles. Using your cycle count, you can estimate your real battery health. For example, 250 cycles mean you should be around 90% capacity. Remember that the cycle count gives you far more accurate picture than the maximum capacity shown in settings. Use this to decide if your battery is still healthy or if it needs replacement. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.